Now, the philosophers and the scientists, sometimes they are very friendly. Sometimes they don't agree with each other. Sometimes they talk in exactly opposite way. Sometimes, suppose, say water. A scientist will say water is a mixture of molecules. Okay? What is the symbol for molecule of water? You know.
H2O.
H2O. Philosopher also will agree. Yeah, okay. 2 hydrogen atoms are there. 1 oxygen atom is there. Okay, they will agree. Right. You divide them individually. What the atom contains? O. What it contains? Is that not? Some electrons and protons. Okay? Some electrons and protons, okay. Right. And every atom has got a nucleus. You go to nucleus. What it contains? The nucleus contains what? Protons and neutrons. Is that not? Protons and neutrons. A nucleus contains. Philosopher also will agree, okay, that's right. What the proton contains? You go deeper and deeper and deeper. What the proton contains? What it contains? The proton. Molecules, they contain atoms. Atom, they contain individual particles. The nucleus contains protons. Proton contains what? Okay, I'll tell you. They will say a proton is a combination of 3 minute particles called quark. Okay? That is the youngster saying, nodding the head. Quark. Okay. And then you put the question, what the quark contains? Go on. What the quark contains? Now science, they are not able to go deeper. What quark contains. But ultimately today, science stands at what point, deeper and deeper and deeper you go, till we arrive at fundamental particle, which cannot be divided further. Logically they arrive at, but they have not discovered the fundamental particle. But they logically arrive, there is a fundamental particle. Till then, scientists and philosophers, they travel. Okay. Then, question, where from the fundamental particle comes? Where from it comes? Now, yes, the scientist says, thus far, no further. I am not going further. I am not able to go further down. I stop with this. So he frankly admits that he is not able to go down. Down what? Fundamental particle.